how to unhide apps from my phone. If you've accidentally hidden an app on your iPhone or you're not sure how to find it, don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to unhide apps on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, let's make sure your app isn't in the app library. The app library is a feature on iPhones running iOS 14 and later, and it stores all of your apps, even the ones you've hidden from the home screen. To check, swipe all the way to the right on your home screen until you reach the app library. Here, all your apps are sorted into categories. If you see the app here, just tap it open. If not, let's move on to the next step. Now just tap on it and I'll simply click on add to home screen as my photos app has been missing. Now if you can't find the app in the app library either, it might be hidden from your home screen. Don't worry, you can easily unhide it through your settings. Simply open the settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on home screen. Now under the home screen section, you'll see an option called add to home screen under the app library sections. Make sure it's set to add to home screen so that apps you download will automatically appear on your home screen. Now there's another reason an app might be hidden. There's a secret setting that lets you hide your app. Simply swipe right away and here, as you can see, a section called hidden. Simply tap on it. You may need to simply authenticate with your Face ID or maybe by your fingerprint, and here you can find all the apps that you've hidden. And that's it, you've successfully unhide apps from my phone.